If you've ever wished you could run two WhatsApp accounts on a single iPhone, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. No tricks, no complicated setup, just a simple method that works. Let's get right into it. First, make sure your main WhatsApp app is fully updated. Head to the App Store, check for any available updates, and install them so all the latest features are enabled. Once that's done, open WhatsApp and log in with your primary number as usual. Now, you might expect to find an option inside WhatsApp to add a second account, but on iPhone, that feature isn't available yet for most users. So instead, we're going to use the official workaround that gives you a second fully functional WhatsApp on the same device. Here's the trick. Download WhatsApp Business from the App Store. Don't worry, despite the name, you don't need to own a business to use it. It works almost exactly like regular WhatsApp. Once it's installed, open it and register using your second phone number. And that's it. You'll now have two separate WhatsApp apps on your iPhone, your main WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, each logged into a different number. Both apps run at the same time, receive notifications independently, and look almost identical, so switching between accounts is super easy. So if you need one number for work and another for personal chats, or you simply want to separate your conversations, this setup is the simplest and most reliable method on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.